guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today we'll be designing another flyer, and this is my channel on YouTube. You can see I have different videos with free PSD files attached to them, so you can simply watch the video and download the file. It's simple as that. You can use it for your projects, for different things. You have different types of flyers here, different types. Is it Bitcoin, stock images, birthday flyers, different types. You can easily get them and use for your projects. But today I'll be designing this particular trade flyer. So now I saw this on Pinterest. I decided to replicate it and do something similar. So what I did first here was to create this with this background. You can see this is a background here. This is a background. As you can see. So what I did was to bring in this background. You can see I added, let me short out all these layers first. Let me short out all these layers. Short out all these layers so I can show you how I got everything in details. You can see this is just an ordinary image that I brought in. This is an ordinary image. You can see simple image. Now what I did was to come to my filter here. Let me switch this off for you. You can see the image looks rather dull. It doesn't look inviting at all. You can see it looks just normal. But I wanted to look very, very sharp and inviting. So I added topaz, adjustment lab, and camera raw to it. So effects to it. If you want to get this topaz lab plugin, you can go to YouTube and search topaz lab download. So it will give you the link to the plugin. It will explain in details all you need to know about the plugin and how to install it. But for the camera, you come to your filter here, camera raw, or press Shift Control A on your keyboard to get this. Now you can see that for this camera raw here, I use this setting. Let me show you. It's loading. You can see I used exposure 0.5, contrast 54, texture 35, clarity 32. I think I used details. Yeah, sharpening 113, noise reduction 65 for this. So what I did next was to bring in my logo. I wanted something that is making sense. So, and I realized that I didn't use logo with a very bright color. Okay, let me show you the thing here. This is the logo. So you can see if I remove this now, you can see the logo looks rather dull because it blends with the background, and I don't want that. I want it to be distinct. So what I did was to come to my new layer here. My foreground color set to white. I gently brush like you can see. It will give me this white. What I did now was to add layer mask here on my keyboard. You can see even use this gradient tool also to clear this off or to reduce it a little bit. So it will have this effect on only the white area. So that was exactly how I got this. So it's very simple and straightforward. Now for this also, I did the same thing to using the black color. I applied the same effect to using the black color because I wanted my white to show well. That's what I did for this one also. I brushed all sides using the gradient tool. So what I did next here was to bring in this particular layer. This I got online on Pinterest also. It's a transparent background. Okay. Now, as you must have seen in all my videos, I use overlay effects. You can see this is overlay effect. You can create this also by clicking new layer here on your keyboard. Press B. let me try and use the color, this color first. Let me see. Then gently tap like this, change the blend mode to linear.add. You can see it gives me the color I want. You can see different colors. It's very simple and straightforward. It's not rocket science at all. So that was exactly how I got this flare. Also, I got this flare also online. Also, you just change the blend mode to screen, just give it that bright feel. Also, this image of coin I got on Pinterest. Also, I added gaussian blur effect to it. If you don't know how to add gaussian blur, you come to your filter here, blur, gaussian blur. You can work around, you can play around it. Now for the text I used, let me show you. Let me over. Yes. Now this is also this type of overlay. I duplicated this image and I changed the color to white. That's all. You can see it's already shaping up. Now let me show you what the text is all about. I used, I think Montserrat. Yeah, it is Montserrat. Yeah, Montserrat medium for the text, and I used outer glow. I used outer glow, opacity 100, noise 0, color white, spread 0, size 13, range 50, jitter 0. Then for the drop shadow, I used opacity 100, distance 15, spread 13, size 27. For this, you can see that's how I got this. It's very simple and straightforward. Then you can decide to even add anything you want to add also to it. This PNG file I got online too. So you can also check my channel for similar videos, and so you can download and use for your personal projects. Thank you.